What examples or implications of Newton's laws do you find most intriguing in everyday life?
I think the third law, action and reaction are equal but opposite.
Ah, yes, Newton's third law. For every action, there's an equal and opposite.
In this video, we will create and use a custom text-to-speech plugin in Vision Agents using Opus 4.6 and VibeVoice. VibeVoice is an open source TTS from Microsoft for creating expressive speech experiences. It supports natural emotional nuances, spontaneous reactions, and even singing capabilities. You can use it for long-form audio generation, like creating a podcast, because it supports up to 90 minutes of continuous speech. It supports real-time streaming with 300 milliseconds first audible speech latency. There is also a multi-speaker support of up to 4 distinct speakers with natural turn taking. If you are building a voice app for multiple languages, VibeVoice is available in English and also support 9 other languages. Vision Agents has built-in plugin categories for building voice and vision-enabled applications. However, if you want to use an AI service not supported in Vision Agents, you can create it as a custom plugin and use it in Vision Agents. This can be speech-to-text, text-to-speech, a turn detection component, or an LLM from any AI provider. Creating a custom AI plugin with Vision Agents is simple. Here is a quick start plugin template. So this is a quick start template directory structure for creating a custom Vision Agents plugin. It is the recommended files and directory layout for creating a custom plugin for Vision Agents. We have the project.toml consisting of the package metadata and also dependencies. We have the plugin source using a namespace package structure and ini.py that exports your plugin class. For this example, the main plugin implementation will be contained in stt.py because this is a speech-to-text plugin. For a text-to-speech plugin, that will be tts.py. Next, we have events.py for defining custom events and also plugin tests. Here is the details of the project.toml template. It configures the system using Hatchling as the build backend. We have the package metadata consisting of the name of the plugin, the Python version requirement, and more. For dependencies, you are required to add Vision Agents core. The wheel config ensures the Vision Agents namespace package is included. And also, we have workspace source, which links Vision Agents as a workspace dependency via UV. The dev dependencies should also include PyTest. In the plugin's namespace package, we also have init.py. This function is to import and export the plugin. Since we are creating a text-to-speech plugin, we need a TTS template. So here is how it looks like. We have stream audio that converts text to audio and yield it in chunks. There is a stop audio method that cancels the current synthesis. It also uses the close method to clean up all connections. This snippet also shows the TTS output format. It handles the default output and automatic resampling. This is all about the directory structure of your custom Vision Agents plugin. You can check the documentation for advanced concepts like event emission, function calling, testing, and also error handling. Next, to use Opus 4.6 to create the VibeVoice plugin for Vision Agents, we need to prepare the code base with a new Python project and also install Vision Agents, as well as the other AI services we want to use with the VibeVoice plugin. So we have an empty directory in Cursor. I'll bring the terminal. Let's initialize a new Python project with UV. So we have all these files and folders. Next, I'll create a new virtual environment with UV and also activate it. Before we create the plugin with Opus, it is good to start with a Vision Agents installation. You have noticed here, the installation is done and we have the version 0.4.4. Let's also add the other AI services we want to use along with VibeVoice. So we have GetStream for real-time audio and video transport. We have Gemini as the LLM, then DeepGram as the speech-to-text component. And finally, we have Smart10 as the turn detection component. I'll press the return key to install them all. Next, I'll bring the chat panel. We will leave the agent mode and set the model as Opus 4.6. I will also use this prompt. We have a Python code base consisting of the installation of Vision Agents and AI services. So we want to create a text-to-speech plugin for VibeVoice to connect with Vision Agents so that it can be used with any AI provider. We also want examples we can run. So we need a basic example and another example for podcast. Over here, I have added a link to the Vision Agents documentation on how to create your own plugin. Then we link to VibeVoice on GitHub and also add other Vision Agents plugin examples for reference. So I'll copy the prompt and go back to Cursor. I'll send the prompt. This is going to take a while because it is exploring all the links we added to the prompt, the Vision Agent's documentation, as well as the GitHub repositories. It is now generating the plugin directory structure. Now we have the README. I'll go ahead and accept all the files. So we have everything in the structure I showed previously, and the main implementation is done in tts.py. We also have the two demos, the basic example as well as another example for podcast. In the project root, I'll add .env and paste these credentials. We need Stream API key, Stream API secret, Google API key, and deepgram. Deepgram is required for speech to text, and the Google API key is required for Gemini. I will also add an example-based URL so that when we run the Python script, it will launch Stream Video. So I'll go ahead and fill the remaining credentials. We have the plugin structure similar to the one I showed you previously. So if I scroll down further, over here we have instructions on how to get started. I have already set the API credentials and the path to the VibeVoice model. We have now created a VibeVoice plugin for Vision Agents. To use the plugin in Vision Agents, there are a couple of things we should do. First, we should connect the plugin to a running VibeVoice inference server. To start the server, we should clone this repository and cd into this directory. Then we create a virtual environment and activate it, and use UV to pip install. To launch the server, you should run this command. Running the command will launch the VibeVoice server at port 3000. For a basic usage, you can initialize the VibeVoice TTS plugin to read the server from a .env file. You can also configure it explicitly using the base URL parameter. To use the plugin with an agent, you create a new agent in Vision Agents using the agent class and specify the TTS parameter as VibeVoice, as well as the voice you want to use. It supports 7 male and female voices, so you can specify any of these male and female voices in your project. When using the plugin, there are also some other parameters you can configure, such as base URL, voice, classifier free guidance scale, and more. The plugin also supports all these languages, with male and female voices for each. To run the basic example generated by Opus, we first need to start the VibeVoice server by running this command. Let's look at the example in detail. Over here, we create a new agent using the Vision Agents agent class. Then we specify the voice we want to use. Next, we create and join a video call to be able to interact with the voice agent. Once you run the Python script, you should be able to interact with the VibeVoice agent in real time.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today we're diving into something truly mind-bending, a topic that promises to expand our horizons and tickle our curiosity. Joining me is someone who has a unique perspective on it. So tell me, what's the fascinating subject we're unraveling today?
Can we talk about physics in everyday life?
Oh, absolutely. Physics is such a captivating field that governs everything around us, from the smallest particles to the vastness of the cosmos. What aspect of physics has caught your attention?
Let's talk about motion.
Great choice. Motion is such a fundamental concept in physics, and it affects our daily lives in more ways than we often realize. Whether it's the simple act of walking down the street or the way planets orbit the sun, motion is everywhere. Tell me, what about motion are you most curious about?
Newton's laws of motion. So this is all I have for you in this video. I showed you how to create and use a custom Python plugin in Vision Agents. To learn more, you can check the Vision Agents documentation as well as all the links in the description of the video.